Hey guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com, and today we have the 2022 Miata Grand Touring Edition. So we have a 4-cylinder, 2-liter. For 2019, they actually bumped this up to 181 horsepower, 151 foot-pounds of torque. Now, I don't know why this person in an SUV parked next to me, but you pull a camera out, that's what people do. So this has the manual top, not the RF, which has the fixed top there. This is the manual soft top. And we're going to take this car for a spin, and I'll show you some features. So I love the Miatas. They are great cars. Let's open the hood, and we'll take a look at that 4-cylinder engine. We'll also look at the trunk. So now the hood, if they don't buy nice people, a regular hood latch here. Now, it's not going to hold. There's nothing hydraulic there, so you actually have to put in your strut. And Sky Active, so we have the 4 cylinders, and it's a great car. It's inline 4. They bumped up the horsepower. Torque is at 150. So I've always said the answer is not S2000. The answer is, I'm sorry, the answer is not Miata. The answer is S2000, but they don't make an S2000 anymore. So if you want something with a warranty, you definitely want to check out the Miata. And it's a beautiful color. I think this is the best color of this car. Sorry, Jeff, but this is called Soul Red. So let's check out the trunk to see if we have any room here. Wow, it's a pretty deep trunk. I couldn't fit my hockey bag here because the opening's too small, and actually, but it's pretty deep. You could fit probably a couple smaller suitcases, carry-on bags. And let's take a look at inside the car as this motorcycle comes up to us. I don't know why, but there's an accident up the road, so I can't go my usual way. So clutch down, start the car. Really clear gauges. You have a pretty cool backup camera here. I guess I got to agree. Decent stereo system. Hey, Van Halen, all right. Backup camera. What we're going to do is we're going to the roof now. We're going to lift this latch, and then we're going to pull it manually over and lock it into place. We'll pull up on both windows here. I don't know why everybody is stopping right where I'm filming. Can't you see I'm filming, for God's sakes? All right, now Miatas do have some body roll, which we'll check out in this video. We're going to make a left up the road here. It's too windy, to be honest, with the... Why is everybody coming here at once? It's too windy, to be honest, with the top down. So what I'm going to do is drive with the top up, and we'll test out the handling. So we got rear drive, a 6-speed manual. Nice sounds. I really, if I was getting a Miata, I would definitely want one of these. I don't know how to lower the fan speed. I would definitely want one of these. I like the new engine so much better than the old engine. It's a little revier. Sounds a little better. Higher red line. Now this car definitely has body roll. The reason they put body roll, the Mazda engineers, is to make it fun at slow speeds. Because it's not a super fast sports car. So if you're not going to have a super fast sports car, shouldn't it be fun at 40 miles an hour? So far, all the cars I've driven in this press day, this handles the roads the best. I don't feel that low to the ground, to be honest. With these fender flares, I feel like I'm higher up than I probably really am. Now it's a momentum car. I slowed down for that turn, and now I have to build the revs back up. So remember, on a turbocharged motor, you'd have that turbo at like 3,000 RPM. You don't have that here. Now this car equipped, the Grand Touring, is about 33,000. You could get lesser versions of this car for less. No understeer here. Now you're not going to have the passing power on the highway. Maybe this guy will let us by. I doubt it. All right, so that was all done in 3rd gear. We're going to rev match our own downshift, put it in 2nd gear. 2nd gear is where it's at. Look at this. You can really feel that it's a rear drive car. I feel the back end moving around. You do feel the body roll. The body roll doesn't really give me confidence. but it is a newer car. See, the problem is, this is the problem with the Miata and S2000. Cars always go in front of you because they see this little tiny car and they think, oh, this car's so slow, it's gonna hold me up. It's really the opposite. If there's any turns, you're really, thank you, you're really holding me up. The ride is actually pretty good, the ride quality. And, you know, there's a lot of wind noise here with the top up, but it's not as bad as my S2000 with the top up. We're going 50 miles an hour. S2000, you take 60 miles an hour. I thought like I didn't have the roof on right. Clutch is nice and light. Nice short throws for a stock shifter. Like I said, good ride. We have enough sidewall on the tires here. All right, so those are the back roads, which is fantastic. We'll take it on a little highway and then back to the back roads here. So now I'm going to be rev matching the downshift. Unlike most cars today, if there is a way to rev match, I don't know how to do it, so I'm going to do it. Rev match into third, rev match into second, clutch nice and light. We'll accelerate on the highway, see how the acceleration is. There's a motorcycle coming up on my left, so I'm going to let him pass. It's loud in here. If you're coming from a Camry or something like that, you might not be thrilled. You better like road and wind noise and tire noise. This is a great car that would absolutely dominate the autocross track. I think this car from the front looks a lot like a modern version of an S2000. If they made a modern version of an S2K, I would say it would kind of have a front that looks like this. I like the steering wheel, all the controls are front and center. The gauges are big. You know how I love big tachometers and analog gauges. And you get all of that here. A blast to drive. I mean, what car can you get for 30 grand? I believe it starts in the high 20s. And you need the Grand Touring with the, leather and all the fancy stuff here, and I think the Apple CarPlay. Do you have to have that? No, not at all. Grand Touring will probably give you better resale value. If you're going to autocross it like I would, you'd want the club model. All right. Again, all the rev matching is me. These are just things in the road to slow us down. We're coming to the circle here. I like how that motorcycle has all the lights. That's pretty cool. All right, so down to first. You know, except for passing people on the highway where I think this car kind of suffers greatly, this would be a blast to drive. So if you're going to do mainly highway, there may be better cars, but if you're going to do back roads, take it on Sunday drives like I do, this is a fantastic car. You know, the first time I ever drove this car, I didn't know how to put the top up. All right, guys, I slummed it for you with this top up so we wouldn't get wind noise so you could hear this video. But this is a fantastic handling car and I highly recommend it. If you want an S2000 with a warranty, this is a great choice. Thanks again for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. It costs you nothing to like and comment. Make sure you comment every video, but it helps me on the YouTube algorithm. I post at least 2 videos a week, Monday and Friday, and if I have extra videos, I post them on Wednesday, and you won't know that unless you hit the notification bell. And to hit the notification bell, you have to be a subscriber. So please do both. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.